Today you will need a partner and you might want something to highlight with, and that could be highlighters, it could be crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything you have, and a pencil, and of course your guided notes. So pause the video until you get that stuff ready. So today what we're going to do is we are going to look at a poem and we're going to answer some questions about it, thinking about what we've already learned with rhythm and rhyme and the meaning of a story. So this is a cute little poem. It's called Ellie Telly Phony. Follow along with me while I read it. Once there was an elephant who tried to use his telephone. I mean elephone, who tried to use his telephone. Dear me, I'm not certain quite that I even know I've got it right. However it was, he got his trunk entangled in the telefunk. The more he tried to get it free, the louder buzzed the telefee. I fear I'd better drop the song of Ella Fop and Telefong. Wasn't that cute? It's a tongue twister. You really have to read it carefully. So I would encourage you to read it again with your partner. After you and your partner read the story, I'd like you to write down what is the main idea of this poem. So what is this poem mostly about? And then remember to start with capitals and end with punctuations. You're putting a statement, so it needs to end with a period. The second question wants you to tap out the rhythm of the poem and describe the rhythm. What mood does this create? Is the rhythm quick and repeats? So it creates a silly mood. The rhythm is steady and repeats. I should say steady and repeats. This creates a calm mood. Or C, the rhythm is fast and uneven. This creates an excited mood. Or D, the rhythm is irregular and doesn't repeat. This creates a funny mood. And then the third thing I want you to do is find 2 rhyming words in this poem. When you're done, you can play the video again and we can check our work together. So when I thought about the main idea of this poem, I said the main idea is about an elephant who tries to use a telephone. And the way I really got that is to think, okay, what kind of words were repeated or put together in the poem over and over? Usually that's important, that's repetition. And so it's really talking about an elephant and a telephone. Notice how I wrote it in a complete sentence. Please make sure you did the same. The second one says, tap out the rhythm of the poem, so you could clap or tap that, and describe the rhythm. Which one did you guys think it was? I thought it was D. The rhythm is irregular and doesn't repeat. This creates a funny mood. All right, and the last thing you had to do is you had to find 2 rhyming words and write them on those lines there. So even though they're made up words, elephant and telephant are rhyming words. You could go again. You could have done elephone and telephone. You could keep going and do quite and right. We could go again and do trunk and telefunk. And then it starts all over. We've got free and telefee. And then it just ends with song. So we could have put any of those pairs together. Just make sure that you wrote them on the lines right here and right here, whatever 2 you chose. All right, you guys, thanks for enjoying the poem with me today.